Hey, what's up everybody? Let's turn that music down for a little bit. I'm in the middle of recording this week's Intonation podcast in the Crickalicious Cafe, and I had to stop for a second and I felt like going live on Facebook because recently a guy named Dror Tamir, I might be saying that wrong, but he's awesome, thank you very much. He reached out to me. He said, Don, I want to send you some of these grasshoppers. I was like, I've been looking for grasshoppers. You know, we got a lot of different chapulines and stuff out there. My whole thing is I love live insects. I can't tell if you where I don't even know. Anyway, I love live insects. I always say that, you know, fresh is best. So, you know, as far as exposing people to entomophagy and everything, I can't even say that word. Insectivorism, that sounds better for some reason. You know, if people are going to do it, you really have to let them know about products that they have access to. And there's so many delicious ento products out there that we have access to, and those are mostly dried. If you want fresh, you're going to have to travel to somewhere where they harvest them, or you're going to have to know someone with a farm or something. However, he was like, I'm going to send you these grasshoppers from Israel. I was like, okay, whatever, more dried insects. Like, just in my head, I was not excited at all. So, I just got the grasshoppers in. I'm actually using them for for this week's Crickalicious Cafe, which I'm shooting today. I'm going to make some pasta out of it, some Hargol pasta. I think it's going to be a Hargol scampi, I'm not sure. These grasshoppers are like the best. I wish I could see if you could see that or not. But what I always look for is something that right out of the gate is delicious. That doesn't take a lot of work to make it delicious. It's just like, you know, you always buy the best eggs, you buy the best chicken. Like, any chef can make anything taste really good, but it's always great if you have something great to start off with. I tasted one of these, and I'm not going to taste it now because I cannot keep eating them. I've already gone through a whole jar. He sent them in these jars, and I just can't stop eating them. They are so tasty. They are so smoky. They are so savory. If you can't go fresh, Hargol is the next best. I mean, it really is. At any party I ever do from now on, it's always going to be Hargol. And I think I also came on to talk about this because in my head, as I was about to start this, I was just like, oh my God, I really hope this business succeeds because this is like the best dried ento product that I've ever had. So I decided just to get on Facebook Live, give a shout out to Hargol so that they get a lot of you guys interested in this product. I swear to God, I don't even know how you can get it. Right now, they're only selling it, I think, in the Mideast, but I think if you contact them somehow, Hargol, I don't know how you're going to get it. I just need to let you know you should try to get it. Now, I don't know what's in here, but this girl, Michaela Dazui, reached out to me on Facebook, and we're going to try to hook it up in Thailand at some time, but we've been keeping in touch, and she said, hey, can I send you some things? You know, like there's some bug stuff I have here. You know, would you like to try some stuff that you haven't tried before? And I was like, sure. So, since I was going to hop on about Hargol, I decided to open it up in front of all of y'all out there in Facebook Live land. So first, I have this crispy silkworm, which is barbecue flavor. You know, so just like a snack, like some Frito-Lays or something like that, but Thai style. And I guess I'll go ahead and open it up. I'm not going to open it up. I might want to take some pictures first. And let's see what else I have here. It's like Ento Christmas today. Oh! Water bug paste. Wow. Roaches have been some of the most delicious things I've ever had. and healing. I will maybe go into that one day later, but there's a whole thing that happened to me. I was feeling sick one day. I happened to have some roaches left over from bugging out, and I just wanted to, I was going to clean them out. I decided not to throw them away, to see if I could make something because they were stale, because they had been in the freezer for about 6 months or almost a year or something like that. So I just boiled them up, put them through the food processor, strained them, and the broth was like the most amazing thing. I mean, first of all, the smell was amazing. Anyway, so I'm excited about this because those water bugs I ate were just convinced me that roaches are the best, but I mean, that's a hard sell in the entomophagy space, so I'm not really pushing roaches on people. But now there's a paste, so I'm really excited to work on this, and I'm sure I'm going to be doing a Crickalicious Cafe very soon that uses this water bug paste. What else do we have here? Ooh, cheese flavored small crickets. That's right. I always have the music bumping when I'm about to do my Crickalicious Cafe. Hey Peavy, happy belated holidays from Bangkok. Sorry I won't be there when you are. Oh, maybe she will because my plans are kind of changing. But feel free to ask if you want any tips. Enjoy your buggy snacks. I'll be in touch soon about some private business I don't want to give away right now. I love this. I love this. My entomophagy family out there treats me better than my blood family. But I love them. All y'all. And these are more crispy silkworms with a nori seaweed flavor. Okay, so the only minus right now is that I have to go because I actually use natural sunlight to shoot the Crickalicious Cafe videos. Of course, I don't need it for the audio, but now we're doing videos and audio, so stay tuned to this lovely pasta dish that we're going to be using these Hargol Israeli grasshoppers in, which I'm going to eat one. This one doesn't have a head, so it doesn't make the cut for the video. Oh, you got to get yourself some Hargol. I don't know how you're going to do it. Find Drawer. See what he can do for you. That's it. Peace.